gathered all the usual suspects, reception and wait staff, administration, spa, kitchen, and housekeeping and maintenance. And we put a bunch of food together, of course, and wouldn't be the same without Then it's time to play ball. And at Bad Lads, I promise you, we've got the biggest balls of them all. And check this out. This was an epic match. Look at the effort they're putting into that. I wish we could see that every day. And it's gone. I didn't actually realize there were so very many silly games that you could play with cups and bottles. But there are. And this group just wants to dance. Of course, it wouldn't be the same without silly drinking games, and there's a pro, and there's her boyfriend. I wonder where they learned to be that good at that. And this is JR. Just one, JR. No, that's not how the game is played. But I guess you're the winner. I promise you, there were lots of sore bodies the next day. This was quite out of the ordinary for them to get this much exercise. And Darnell is just showing off. Look at that hang time. That reminds me of Michael Jordan. That girl has some talent for sure. And look at this technique. So important in this sport. And it's time for the dancers. One of our guests took a video of our staff wandering around the front lawn making animal noises blindfolded, and he still gave us a good review. This group walked right out of their flip-flops. Oh no, gotta start again. I don't think these guys are having enough fun. Yeah, find your partner's hole with a banana. And put your clothes on while keeping a balloon in the air. These are all good skills to have. And last but definitely not least, Silly Ivy says goodnight.